Hello everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. And today we're working on a 12 inch by 12 inch. And I'm going to change this up a little bit. It's still inspired by the Ethereal Passage. So this is kind of an experiment where I'm actually layering the paints differently. So I'm going to start off with dark blue. So I'm going to need about 150 mils of paint. And I'll go in with the magenta. And some Prussian blue. I actually want more blue. And then we'll use some white. In my white I have the B.A.D satin enamel. My paints are very thick. 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. Now I don't want a lot of white. And just get rid of that pink. And then we'll go in with some gold, which is the B.A.D 24 karat gold. I'm hoping I can get at least three layers in here. Probably not. Get some white in there. And light blue, so we're going in with the lighter colors now. I want a little bit of white. Have a teeny bit of turquoise. And then some more light blue. So I'm thinking if this works out on this size canvas, then I'll probably try it out on a larger scale. So we've got a little bit of white next. And magenta. It's going to be one very full cup. Bit of gold. And then we want some Prussian blue. We're running out of space. Might just overflow. And dark blue. Now that dark blue is almost black. And okay, I would have liked to have added some more, but that's about as much as that cup can handle. Right, let's go. I think at this point my toes were curling up. The beautiful colours in the cup. Here's still some more of the very dark blue in there. Right, so let's torch that. I'm already loving what's happening there. It's sort of coming out the way I wanted it to, but I wanted more dark around the outside. So I'm not sure if it actually folded over itself or let's see. I might just put some some of this dark around the edges, like very close to the edge. I want to actually keep the edge pretty dark. And hopefully this will do the trick. Keep that for just now. So I'm just stretching this out a little bit. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and put paint down on around the edges. Don't want to overstretch that center. So I'm just moving it to try and maintain the center and also to get to the edge. Let's go a little bit this way. Come back again. I really love what's going on here in the center. I'm just bringing it back. Sorry guys, I'm just bringing it back to the center. and this is really stretching it. Right, I think the next time I do this, I might have to use a little bit more paint, and definitely I wanted it to be darker on the outside, and then the lighter, and then the dark. So that's what I'm going to do with my next one. I'm going to give it a torch and touch up the edges, and I'll bring you in for a closer look. I think this turned out really beautifully. I really like that center. So I'll be doing it again, probably with more paint, bigger cup, because I really couldn't fit the last bit in that I wanted to, but that just gives it so much more depth. I think that's beautiful. I'm really excited about this one. Absolutely love it. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.